Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. It's time for tech. In this episode I will show you an 8-port switch by TP-Link. First I will explain what a switch is, then I will unbox it and tell you how to get it, coming right after the intro. Before I will unbox the switch, let me give you a short explanation what a switch is. So if you already know this stuff, skip 1 or 2 minutes ahead for the unboxing itself. So let's start. Most homes today have many devices like printer, computer, laptop and so on. You might want to connect all of them together. For instance, you might want to print from your desktop computer, laptop or mobile phone. Or you might want to connect all of them to a high-speed internet using your home router. Maybe you want to connect all of them without using Wi-Fi to increase connection speed and reduce electromagnetic radiation in your home. Usually in your internet router, there are up to 4 ports, which is not enough to connect all of your devices. In order to get more ports, you need a switch with at least as much ports as the device number in your home. A switch expands the ports for your local network and the internet. It's a plug-and-play device, which means you just connect the Ethernet cables and that's it. No configuration required. There are switches with 4 ports, 5 ports, 8, 16, 32 ports and so on. Switches with 16 ports and up are usually for industrial use. When you buy a network device, a switch in this case, you need to know which speed you want your network to be. It can be 10 megabits per second, which is very low speed used ages ago. The next speed is 100 megabits per second, which is the basic speed and most commonly used for home network. The next, more preferable speed is 1000 megabits per second, which is also called gigabit Ethernet, and it's a high-speed network. The newest speed is 10 gigabit Ethernet, which is not so common used for home network. It's used for industrial servers or something like that. And now for the unboxing itself. So, this switch is up to 1000 megabits per second, which you know is called gigabit Ethernet. It has 8 ports, and let's open the box. Very nice. And the power brick. So in the box we have the switch and the power brick. The switch have 8 ports. It have a glassy finish. And the power brick is very small. So let's try it out and see if it works. So let's connect the first one and the second. If I connect the cable, there is a light that indicates that the cable is connecting. So let's do a speed test to see if it works. So usually I should get around 40 megabits per second, and let's see if it's what I get. This is what I get and it's working as you see. As you see, it works. Its current price is around $20. And you can click on the link below to get this product for yourself or as a gift for somebody else. This product is very good, it's very cheap, it's work of course, and because it's gigabit Ethernet, I highly recommend it for anyone who wants to expand his home network for. To be notified about new updates, subscribe this channel. Just click on the subscribe button below and you're done. Well, this is it guys, thank you for watching, I hope you enjoyed it and I will see you in the next